So over here, you can see that I have this particular group right here, which acts as a single object. So I can go ahead and move them around and place them wherever I want. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and edit this group. So in that case, you can go ahead and right click, and you can see that edit group is an option, which actually goes ahead and isolates out the group so that you can go ahead and edit out the individual elements, as you can see right here. And this group is actually made up of subgroups, as you can see. And if you want to go ahead and edit a particular object, then you can simply right click on that as well and edit out the group. Then it further isolates it out, as you can see, and you can make the changes. Then if you were to go around over here, just like this, just click outside, then you simply have this group, as you can see right here. If you want to go ahead and ungroup out the model, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and ungroup it out by right clicking and by choosing explode right here, just like this. Once you explode, the explode is the option that you use in order to ungroup out objects in SketchUp. So if you want to ungroup this out as well, simply right click and then explode this out right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and edit and ungroup out objects inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.